This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Denay Bartuseck. Recently renovated and ready to enjoy. This stylish 3-bed, 2-bath home sits on a quiet street just blocks from the ocean, no flood insurance required and no flood damage from recent storms. The modern split floor plan offers privacy, while the large fenced yard with paver patio is perfect for outdoor living. The home also boasts a newer roof, air conditioner, tankless water heater, and appliances. Located in a golf cart friendly area just minutes from downtown Dunedin's shops, restaurants, and breweries. Don't miss this move-in ready gem. For more information, review the details below.